as an LGBTQIA plus member, it is my responsibility to uplift the life in our community.
I love your smile. How are you?
I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm feeling good also. How about you? Okay. All right. You may now choose an envelope.
Aaron Antonio Noche.
Magandang gabi, binibigay ng Dasol, Pangasinan.
Magandang gabi po.
Kamusta ka?
Maayos po. Kayo po, kamusta po kayo ngayong gabi?
Kasing ganda mo.
Maraming salamat po.
Napakaganda ng ngiti mo. So, eto na yung aking question. English, how can we promote gender equality while honoring Filipino culture? In Tagalog, paano natin maisusulong ang gender equality habang pinapahalagahan ang ating kulturang Pilipino?
Gender is never the problem to preserve our culture. It is us as Filipinos. It is our duty to protect and preserve it. And as a Filipino, it is my responsibility. And as an LGBTQIA plus member, it is my responsibility to uplift the life in our community and as well as to educate the young Filipino people to protect, to promote, and to elevate the tourism here in our country. And as your Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines candidate, I would want to use this platform to say that a nation that honors its identity and heritage is a nation that will never lose its identity. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.